Here guys, we have 7 times 4 minus 12 divided by 3. Okay, 7 times 4, right? 7 times 4 equals 28, right? Now 28 minus 12 equals 16, right? Now 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3 equals 5.33. This gives us 5.33, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Multiplication and division must be done before subtraction, and we must do them left to right. Now let's solve it correctly. Solve again. Step 1, multiplication and division first, left to right. So 7 times 4 equals 28 minus 12 divided by 3. Now step 2, 12 divided by 3, right? Divide first. Okay, 28 minus 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now subtract 28 minus 4. 28 minus 4 equals 24.